Is your scalp swollen and tender after your hair transplant? I will give you 5 expert tips that will instantly give you relief and help you ease the negative side effects of hair transplantation. Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have accompanied the treatment of over 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. Today we will talk about swelling after the surgery. If you have recently undergone a hair transplant, you may find that your scalp is swollen and tender. Swelling is a common side effect of hair transplant surgery and can last anywhere from few days to few weeks. However, there are some things you can do to reduce the swelling and promote healing. Number 1. Apply ice. Applying a cold compress to the area for up to 10 minutes at a time can reduce swelling. But you need to be careful where you place the ice pack. Use it just above your brows, but never on the transplanted side. Try to do this several times a day or whenever you feel aching or tenderness. Number 2. Take medication. Besides the antibiotics, painkillers, and anti-inflammatory medication, your doctor may prescribe steroids to help reduce swelling. Be sure to take your medication as prescribed. Number 3. Massage your forehead. Gently massage your forehead multiple times a day. Use light, sweeping motions from the middle of the forehead towards the temples. Don't touch or tug at the transplanted area, as this can irritate the skin and cause additional swelling. Number 4. Drink more water. Staying hydrated has numerous health benefits, but drinking 2 to 3 liters of water a day after the surgery will help you flush out the local anesthetic from your body. Number 5. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet can help your body heal and reduce swelling. Foods rich in vitamin C, zinc, and protein are particularly beneficial. While some swelling is normal after a hair transplant, there are steps you can take to reduce the swelling and speed up the recovery process. If you are still experiencing excessive swelling or pain after several weeks, be sure to contact your doctor. Did you experience any swelling after your hair transplant? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair transplant methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.